Hello everyone, as you know that we are continuing a series of pre-YQ for Npsc CSET, and in that series we are completing our DI questions. So we came to 2022, that is 2022 DIs. In this video we will be solving all the DI questions that asked in Npsc examination in 2022. So let's start. So there are three DI questions. Okay, this is the first DI question. Okay, the following table given the sales details of books for CAT exam written by Sraves. Okay, so in 2000 quantitative aptitude 4000 books were sold. Okay, data interpretation 3750, verbal ability 4140, logical reasoning 4350. So these are the datas in 2023 4268 like this. You can pause the video and observe the data. Now see the question. What is the growth rate of sales of quantitative aptitude from 2000 to 2005? See, in 2000 quantitative aptitude was 4000. In 2005 quantitative aptitude became 4800. So kitna increase हुआ growth rate, not rate, what is the growth? 800 है ना. So 800 growth from where? It grows from 4000. So 4000. If you want the percentage rate, that is percentage. So 0, अच्छा 4000. So 0 0 gone, 0 0 gone. 8 से 5. And 5 and 100, that is 20. So the growth rate is 20%. Easy one. Okay, the first DI was easy. Okay, देखो second question. Which of the categories shows the lowest growth rate from 2000 to 2005? So which of the categories shows the lowest growth rate? देखो this one we go 2000 to 2005. This one 20%. Okay, we just calculated. Now see here 3750 and 5000. So it's 1250. Okay, so 1250 growth from 3750 into 100. So this will be 3 times 3 से करेगा. This is 33.33%. So this growth rate is 33.33%. This one 4000 to 5500. So the growth here is yours. Okay, 60 na 60. So it will be 1360. So 1360 growth from 4140 into 100. So 0 0 gone. This will be yours 3 times 12. Yeah, 3 times. Okay, just do it. Okay, so 1360 divides 414. Though we can divide by 4. Acha, am I doing correct? 1360 414. Yes, correct. We are doing correct. So it's your 3 times. So 2, 4, and here 12. So it will be yours 8, 1, and 1, and then 1 0 will be there because this 0 will be there 0. So this is yours 3 times. Nahi, this will be your 2 times now. So it's roughly around 32 point something. Okay, 32 point something. Okay, now 4350 become 4800. So it's around yours 450. 2 less. Okay, so तो answer होगा ही नहीं. So we got data interpretation that. So अच्छा, least growth na. Okay, least growth will be logical reasoning because 450 increased. Yes, 450 increased from 4350 into 100. It will roughly around your 9 point something. Okay, so this will be your least logical reasoning. Okay, if you calculate, it will be roughly around 9 or something. Okay, 9. Yes, I guess 9 or 9. 11 or something. Achha, more than 10. but not more than 20, not more than 33, not more than 32. Okay, so logical reasoning will be your least one, least growth. Got it? Next question. Which category has highest growth rate over the period? अच्छा अभी तो सॉल्व किया ना. हाईएस्ट ग्रोथ रेट इज 33.33, दैट इज डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन. सो डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन ओवर द पीरियड मीन्स 2000 to 2005. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the categories had either a consistent growth or consistent decline in the period shown? अब देखो क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, ग्रोथ डिक्लाइंड. क्या हो गया? डिक्लाइन हो गया. देखो 4370 to 4268, so not possible. Data interpretation, decline, growth then again declined. देखो 390 से 38 हो गया है. Verbal ability, growth declined 60 to 55. They are asking continuous growth or continuous decline. Okay, here growth and growth. So this one shows continuous growth over the period of the year. So logical reasoning will show continuous growth. Okay, got it? So first 4 questions were easy. Now they have given 2 more DIs, and the last DI, like which is in the presentation, is too hard. Okay, so I just solved in a simple way, and I'll just show you how to solve. Okay, because the DI was not hard, but the calculation was. Okay, see. Okay, again pause the video and observe the data. Okay, before solving the DI, pause the video and observe the data. Okay, now see the question. What is the maximum production capacity of Nestle ना for butter? अब देखो Nestle कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है. Production 1.64 and the capacity that is utilizing 64. So I can say that 1.64 tons representing to utilized capacity, that is 64.80. and if you want the full capacity is always 100%. ठीक है, so decimal will go out, so 0 and 0 gone. Yeah, it can be divisible by 4 ना. 4 से divide करेगा, this is 41. 4 से divide करेगा, this is 1 and this is 6 and this is 2. Here 41 and this is 4 times, yes, roughly around 4 times, but we have to look now. So this is like 410 divided by 162, so it's 2 times, that is yours. Okay, 4 2 3 to 4. Now here, okay, 6 8 no 86, yeah, 86 and here will be 4, 86. Now you have to take decimal and 0, and if you take 5 times, yeah, 5 times it's 810, so it's 50 again, so it's around 2.5. Which one? 2.5, this one. So the maximum capacity will be 2.53. Okay, got it? समझ में आएगा? Calculations are moderate, not hard. चलो next question. Okay, just keep this question as a hold. I'll show you how to solve the next question. What is the approximate total production capacity for butter? What is the approximate total capacity for butter in India? देखो approximate capacity, देखो they are saying that total, this is total line, total production 11.60 and utilizing capacity is 61.30%. Okay, it's in percentage, but they are asking approximate total production, how much total production you can do. So what is the approximate total production? This is utilization wala production. Okay, capacity we are utilizing, but what will be the total? 11.60 tons producing, and that represent your 61.30. And if you want the total is always 100% because this percentage is denoting this ton. Okay, total. So decimal will go out, 0 and 0 gone. Okay, for ease of the calculation, acha, without calculating I can say this is the answer. Why? देखो 11.60 तो आंसर होगा नहीं, not possible. Data insufficient है नहीं because datas are there, and 7.8 तो होगा नहीं because it is already 11.60 by 61%. 100% it will be around 18.9. So no calculation. Okay, चलो समझ में आया? Data insufficient नहीं है, there was no data insufficient, there is sufficient data. 11.60 not possible, 7.8 how it will be possible because it's already 11.60. So this will be your answer. If you calculate, you will get the exact same data. Next question. What percentage of the total market share by sales value, this one, is controlled by others? देखो, this line shows including others. It means यहाँ पे आपका others लुकाया हुआ है. लुकाया means it's hidden here. Now see, this is the companies. So how much shares they are actually holding? So just calculate them. 17, 15, 32 and 26. 32 and 26, 58. Yes. 41, 50, 58 and 30, 88, 89, 90, 90.60. Now see, 90.60 is controlled by companies and remaining ones will be controlled by others, that is 42.20 around. Okay, 42.20 will controlled by others. Now they are asking what is the percentage of sales controlled by others. देखो, total sales value 132 and out of that 42 and 132. Just delete the decimals, okay, and it will ease your calculation because all the options are far away into 100. This is roughly around yours 3 times, so this will be the answer because this is roughly around 3 times. Okay, and it will be like 3 times only. Yeah, roughly around 3 times. This will be the answer. ठीक है ना? चलो 32. Yes, what I made mistake here while calculating. 32 and 26, 58 and 31, that is 89. Yeah, 89 and 90 and 60 ठीक है, minus करेगा, that is 42.20. ठीक है, yeah, I get 32 will be the right answer. Okay, चलो next question. Okay, now see the data interpretation ta your datas. It's too hard. Question is not hard, calculation is hard. Okay, so that's why I already calculated here. Okay, already calculated. How to calculate? I'll just show you. Pause the video and observe the data. Okay, now see, first observe the data. Okay, if I have to explain, then the video will be so long. Okay, that's why pause the video, observe the data, then come to the question. See the question. They are saying that which of the following options correctly arrange the political parties in describing order to gain vote shares from the year of 2005 to 2010. अब देखो, in 2005 देखो, in 2005 total vote was this amount. Okay, how we got? We added everything. देखो, we added everything, so total vote this one. In 2010 total vote was this one because we added everything. Now from in 2005 A got this much of vote, 343,200 out of 88,4000 into 100. This is his vote share. If you calculate this one, you will get 39%. Okay. In 2010, A ka vote share was 364450. Out of total vote share was 985000. Into 100, the answer will be 37%. So vote share will be 37%. So the difference of vote shares from 2005 to 2010, it's minus 2% for political party A. Similarly, if we calculate the same way, in 2005 the vote share is 17.5 and 2010 the vote share is 24.5. So difference is 7 here. So this is the difference of the vote share from 2005 to 2010. Now arrange them in the ascending order. They are saying descending order. First this one B. So B kisme this mein. So this will be your answer. Okay. So you just have to calculate one only and then you can get it. Okay. So this is the calculation. You just try to solve in home. Okay, by calculating. But I will say that this is the hardest calculation you will get in your civil service DIs because it's totally irrelevant. Civil service doesn't mean you have to be good in mathematics. आपको अच्छा होना है in GS papers. But I don't know why they are copying other exams. Like this will definitely be the question of CAT exam. Okay, I don't know why. It's totally irrelevant. Okay, they should not give this much of calculation. Okay, in your civil service exam. Okay, you should know the basic calculation. You should know the basic mathematics. Not this one. This is for common admission test. That is for IIM. You guys are not going to IIMs. IIMs is like for business managements and all. You guys are being civil servant. Okay, so chodo. But we have to respect them because they want you to be like super intelligent. We have to respect them that they are giving you this kind of hard questions. So they just want to maintain the quality of the exam. But one question is there, why copying? You should make your own question, then why copying to others question paper? If you want to maintain the quality, if you maintain the quality like the standard is so high, then why to copy? Okay, chalo. Next. Okay, again same 104 question. What is which of the following parties received maximum number of neutral tweets in 2010? Now यहाँ पे आ जाओ 2010. This is the tweets. A political party received 33% positive tweet and 35% negative tweet. So definitely neutral tweet. देखो total tweet will be 100%. Positive 33.33. And negative yours 35.4. So definitely the minus will be like 38.7, 68.7. So that is yours 31.3. So 31.3% will be neutral. Got it? समझ में आया? So you have to do for all the political parties. You have to do it for all the political parties. So you will get the neutral percentage. Okay, but they are not saying that tell me the maximum percentage. No, they are saying the maximum number. Now how to get the maximum number? Suppose we want to solve for political party A. So A is getting 31%, 31.3% neutral tweets. So 31.3% out of 100%, and the total tweet was 131,021. After calculating this, you will get an amount here. Sorry, you get a number, and then you have to do it for all the political parties. Then you will get some numbers, and then you have to compare which party received the maximum number. I have already calculated, but if I calculate in this video, the video will be like 1 hour. Okay, for this calculation only, this 5 calculations, 103 to 106. So the answer will be your political party B. Okay, if I'm not wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll put in the comment, but the answer will be political party B. Use your calculator and calculate. Okay, I already give you the blueprint how to get for political party. Neutral tweets are 31.3. 31.3 out of 100, and total tweet was 131,021. So if you calculate, there will be a number. You have to write the number. Same For political party B, 30 and 59, 30 and 29, that is 59, 59, 60, 60.1, so it will be your 39.1 percentage. After 39 percentage, you have to calculate, you will get one number there, data. Okay, this is how you have to solve. Chalo, next. Again, dekho. Again, pause the video and observe the question or data. Same question. They are saying between 2000 and 2010, 2000 and 2010, in terms of gain in vote share, which of the following cannot be possible value? अब देखो कितना hard कर दिया है. This is the hardest DI I can say. Hardest DI I can say for your NPSC. Okay, if I compare all the years DI, this will be the hardest DI. And there are some DIs which asked in 2024, I mean last year. I'll solve also that one. So this will be the hardest DI. So I have already calculated here. Dekho, 2000 total vote will be this one. Okay, if we add all the votes, all political parties vote. Okay, 2010 all the political parties vote, if I calculate, this will be the total vote. Okay, out of that 2000 May, the vote share of A 42% and the vote share of A in 2010 what 30%. Okay, in last calculation we also solved. So the gain is -5. So the gain here is -5 na. ठीक है. After that, for B, okay, for any political party na. So this is 3.5 तो हो जाएगा 3.5. So this one can be possible. So तो answer होगा नहीं. This one can't be the answer. 2.5. 2 भी answer आ रहा है देखो from here. 2 the answer 2 is also coming. So ये तो नहीं होगा. 2.5 there is no answer called 2.5. Okay, there is no answer called 2.5. So the option will be B. Because see, gain vote share में -5 that is not in option, it's okay. But देखो A वाला option में है ना, for 3 to 5 it means देखो E का ना, they are saying they are not sure. 3 to 5 vote share can be 3 to 5. So it can be 3.5 and 4.5. So it's not possible. Okay, and then 2% is also there, so not possible. 2.5. ठीक है, 2.5 is the answer. चलो next question. Okay, again same I have calculated, so no need. I'll suggest you don't drag your head, don't drag your brain in this type of DIs. Okay, better to skip this kind of DI. I won't suggest you because you guys are not giving CAT exam. Okay, so don't use your brain in this kind of DI. This is only for CAT exam. Better to focus on simple questions. Okay, because देखो इतना दिमाग लगाने के बाद you will get 1 mark. You will get 1 mark. And if you study one history question, if you score one history question, there will be 1 mark again. If I'm being honest, I'm teaching CSET. That doesn't mean that you have to like I'll tell you focus on CSET, do everything, like practice hard. Nahi, dekho, leave this kind of DI. If you feel like the DI is too hard, leave it in exam hall. Don't use your brain too much in DI. Better to solve one current affairs. Better to solve one geography question. Okay, geography तो नहीं आ रहा है. Better to solve one science question, modern history question. Better to solve one आपका I guess Nagaland portions were also coming, so solve करो. Mark is 1 only. But I'm not saying that skip totally CSET. I'm saying that if you feel the DI is too hard, skip it. ठीक है? If it's hard for you, it's hard for 99% student. If it's hard for you, it means it's hard for 99% student. So leave it. Okay, so I'll come up with your more previous year question. I'll search in 2023 and I'll search in 2024 also. Okay, and then see you in the next video.